Hi, Kuya Soy. Happy birthday, Kuya Soy. Uli na Pilipinas, Kuya Soy. Ingat.
Boss Tito Soy, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Part. Ayo sa imo trabaho, dira. Takita ra tapon. God bless always. Love you.
Boss Opa, happy birthday, Part. Unta tagang pagdagan blessings, Part. Kita kits pohon. Amping.
Hi, Sisi. Happy birthday, life. Praying for success in life. Take good care always kung asa man ka karon. Dili magbinugoy. Charot. God bless you always. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Happy birthday, Boss Opa. Musta makamuli diri. Part amping dira, Part. Happy birthday. Unta makauyab naka puhon kay murag dili na biya ka bata, Part. Uyab panagsa oy. Happy birthday, Part. Amping.
Dash, hi! Happy birthday! I wish you all the best life can offer. Thank you for being a good friend. Stay genuine. We miss you and have a blast. Happy birthday! Enjoy!
Boss, happy birthday! Wish na ko sa imo, boss. Unta, makabot ni imo mga pangandoy sa imong kinabuhi o dagan pagdagan katuigan ni Lord. O gamping dia sa trabaho o see you soon, boss. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Master Soy from Korea. Wish ko lang is maabutan mo pangarap sa kinabuhi. And wishing you a good health and more blessings to come. Happy birthday! Hoo-ha!
Tito, happy birthday! Wish you all the best in life. Tapos pangasawaan na, 30 na ta!
Happy birthday to! Ingat diha to, enjoy your big day. Ayaw palabig pa hubog ha. Love you to! Bye-bye! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Soy. 30 na ka. Enjoy lang life. Amping diha. Pagminyo na. Love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Alien. Enjoy your day. Pagminyo na oy. Love you. Amping.
Hi, Soy! Happy birthday! Sagdi lang kung mulapas na ka sa kalendaryo. Naapay bingo, 75. Happy birthday, Soy! Love you! Bye-bye! Happy birthday, Soy! You may have many more birthdays to come. I love you, Soy! Amping kanunay! We miss you! God bless you!